That's it. That's it. That's it. That's got to be it right there. Yep, that's it right there. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yep, you can see it right there. Clear as day right there. It's in the rain though. It's in the rain. It's in the rain. Oh my God. That's it right there. It's gigantic. Holy shit. It's huge. It's huge. Oh my God. Right there, babe. Come out here and look at this. What the hell is this thing doing? You gotta call your dad. It's coming right up their way. It's coming right up their way. Real flank down draft. Real flank down draft is happening right now. Oh my God, look at that. Holy shit, mate. That's it. That thing is gigantic. Oh my God, it's moving ashore right now. You see it? It's coming towards the house. Take cover now. Now. No bullshit. It's coming right towards you. It's humongous. It's a giant tornado. It's coming right towards you. I'm not lying. It's huge. It's huge. It's got debris. It's got debris. It's got debris right there. It's right there. There it is right there. Oh my God, look at it. Oh my God, look at it. Oh my God, look at it. Come on, pick up. Pick up. We have a tornado on the ground in Panama City. It just crossed St. Andrews Bay. We're at the Panama City Marina, or the St. Andrews Marina. It's on shore right now. It's my guess is it's heading towards neighborhoods right now. I'm serious. This thing is big. We got video and pictures of it. It's big. It's big. No kidding. No kidding. My house is in the path. We're trying to get back to it right now. I figured I'd call 911 while we're on the way back. Look, it's right here. We're on Beck Avenue right now. There it is, right here. It's rain wrapped now. It's hard to see, but man, get it. Wow. Oh, absolutely. I was at the marina, and it crossed the bay in front of us at the St. Andrews Marina and went into a neighborhood. Probably Michigan Avenue, I'm guessing. I don't know if it did damage, but I'm telling you, it's all on video. I wouldn't be calling 911 for nothing. That right there was really close to my house, and we're trying to get back now. And so far, we don't see any damage, but it was huge. A giant wedge. I mean, huge. Okay. Wow. I just got done talking to 911 and they passed me through to you. The tornado was on the ground, seen. We got video and pictures of it, and it came through the marina area at the St. Andrews Marina, and it's heading almost up towards the station area, towards you guys right now. It's big too. Yes, absolutely. We got video and pictures of it too. It's big. We're trying to get up. We're on 98 right now, heading that way, looking for damage or anything. Oh, wow. What now? I don't don't see any people around. It's hard to hear you because we're getting lashed by the tail end of the storm right now, driving back into it. But I mean, Denham's there. No, not yet. I think it was heading at a diagonal area. It came right over the bay, at least 20 yards in front of us. Just amazing. I've never seen anything like it in my life. And I've been storm chasing for 22 years.
Bye.